Welcome to IQS Quiz. It's time for a yes or no challenge. Haha, some of these reveals might trick you, so choose carefully. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Would you like to win? Choose yes or no. Woohoo! You won $10 million! What a lucky start! Would you give up? Yes or no? Oh no! You have to give up your best friend. That's heartbreaking. Would you love to eat? Yes or no? Yum! You get unlimited pizza. Enjoy. Would you like to meet? Yes or no? Woohoo! You get to meet your favorite celebrity. So cool. Would you stay stuck in? Yes or no? You're trapped in a haunted house for 24 hours. Good luck. Would you like to get? Yes or no? Let's go! You received a brand new car. Awesome. Would you stop eating? Yes or no? Oh, no more chocolate forever. That's a hard one. Would you travel? Yes or no? Yay! You're traveling around the world. Have fun. Would you like to have? Yes or no? You now have a pet dragon. That's wild. Would you like to become? Yes or no? Whoa! You become the smartest person alive. Incredible. Would you wear? Yes or no? You have to wear clown clothes for a whole week. Everyone will notice you. Would you like to get? Yes or no? Boom! You get superpowers! Amazing! Would you eat? Yes or no? Ew! You have to eat a live worm. Yuck. Would you like to own? Yes or no? Woohoo! You now own a luxury mansion. Congratulations! Would you stop watching? Yes or no? Oh no, no more YouTube forever. Could you survive that? Would you like to have? Yes or no? Woohoo! You receive a time machine. Where will you go first? Would you love to eat? Yes or no? Yum! Ice cream every day. That's sweet. Would you like to have? Yes or no? Jackpot! You get unlimited money. Hoo-hoo! Would you like to have? Yes or no? Wow! You now own a private island. That's a dream come true. Would you live without? Yes or no? Oh, you have to live without the internet for 1 year.
Wow, that was so much fun, right? How many did you guess correctly? Comment below and share your score. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more exciting challenges, and check out the next video for even more food fun. Can't wait to see you there.